Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled red onions. Slice onions thinly and layer them in a clean jar. Bring 1 cup vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar to a simmer, then pour over onions. Let cool, seal, and chill at least 1 hour before eating. Store jars up to 2 weeks and enjoy. Start by collecting onions, vinegar, water, salt, sugar, and optional spices like peppercorns or bay leaf. Use 2 medium red onions for 1 standard jar. Adjust sugar to taste, starting with 1 tablespoon. Warm the brine to dissolve salt and sugar, but do not boil hard. Pour brine over onions to cover completely, press down to remove air pockets, then seal and cool before refrigerating to finish pickling. Begin by slicing onions thinly and placing them in a jar with any spices you like. Heat vinegar, water, salt, and sugar until hot and dissolved, then pour immediately over onions to soften them. Press onions down so brine fully covers, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate. Taste after 1 hour and again next day to reach preferred tang and crunch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.